Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. You have more problems when you download and install games on your mobile phone or computer. But now I have a solution for your problems. Keep watching. First, click on your web browser and click search bar and search like this. HARBOUR play, Harbor Play, and click enter. Now you can see a link top of your page. Harbor Play, play games anywhere anytime. Click on this link. Now you can see the site of Harbor Play. If you want to search any game, search on this and you can see categories and hottest games, newly added games, popular games, likewise recommended games from anyone. So you can click on categories and you can select any category to play. Soccer, girls, sports, puzzles, bubble shooter, cards, quiz, actions, educational. You can click anyone. I click on racing category. Now we can see more games on racing category. I click on this play now. Now click on this green play button. There is a ad playing. Skip ad click. Now game is loading. Now click on this blue color play button and you can select one and play now. Now you can play like this using arrow keys on keyboard. No need to install or download this game. You can play on this site easily. No problems, no doubts. So you can play like this. You can choose any game as you wish. There are 3 chances of this game, I think so. Okay, I won. And you can play step 2 like this. You can use arrow keys easily without mouse. Oh, 3 chances. There was a remain 1 chance. Okay, game over. Ad is playing. Click skip ad. I go the site again and choose another game. Go back and category, search for sports and skit challenge, play now. We will see how is this game. Click on green play button. There is a ad playing. You can skip. Now you skip ad. Game is loading. Click on the red play button. There is instructions for you. Click on the background and you can start the game. Now we can see how this game you have to shoot this element using your gun. difficult game, I think, because I am not good player. Okay, try it again. Oh, it was missed. Second chance missed. Sometimes it is boring game, I think. Okay, next chance. Oh, it was missed. I think this is a boring game. Chance 3. All of the chances were missed by me. I go for another game. Go back and go. Oh, street rates. Click play now. Click on the green play button. There is ad. You can skip now. Click on skip ad and game is loading. Click on the green play button again. Now you can start using arrow keys and you have to use your mouse to change gear and brake to yours. Okay, now you can start the game. How we change the gear now? I think I lost the first step. Yes or no? Okay, gear was changed. Second place, I think, and click play now again. Okay, now I got the idea how play this game. Okay, use front arrow key and use your mouse to change gear. Okay, I am the first. Okay. Yes, I won the game. Okay, now we can go step 2. Okay, start. Okay, yes, I did it. Yes, I won the third step. Ad is playing now. Skip ad. Play now. Okay. Okay, yes. I be the first. And fourth gear. Fifth gear. Okay, I won the game. So this is the way the game's playing without downloading or installing on your mobile or desktop. You can also use your mobile phone to play this game. Okay guys, I think you got the way how you can play games. Now I have questions for you. What is your favorite game or game category? Comment below. Like my video and share with your friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Click bell icon to get notification from my channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. See you again with next video. Goodbye friends.